Hi YouTube viewers, please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get along video that I upload for all of you. Hopefully you all enjoy videos that I upload, and please give some comments to me for update. Hi guys, hi everybody. Do you love to buy souvenirs in Johor Bahru, or looking for shops to buy souvenirs in Johor Bahru? No worries, I will guide you. In Jalan Tan Myok Mi, Johor Bahru town, there is available one souvenir shop. The name shop, we call it Senso Art Gallery. They also doing exhibition like arts exhibition, you know. Rather than that, they also have a cafe inside the gallery. So let's find out what are the interesting, what are the things available in their gallery. This is the cafe that I mentioned to you just now, Senso Art Gallery Cafe. Hello. All the items here you can buy. There's a lovely place. Postcards. Keychains. I love Johor. They also sending cookies. Hi. So these are the menus. So not only you buy souvenirs, you can come here to chill and have some good foods and drinks. The exhibition hall, art exhibition hall. Hi everybody.
Hi.
This is Catherine, owner of the Senso Art Gallery. So Catherine, can you let me know what are the Senso actually offer for people in Johor?
Okay, actually, Senso is an art gallery So upstairs we have a double story. Upstairs is a gallery. Downstairs is a cafe with a workshop. So
What kind of workshop that you provide usually?
So workshop we will meant for the art craft. So because my shop is 70% is a gallery, so I would like to invite some of the artists. More of them is a local artists, so they will rent my space to do an exhibition. They can choose 1 month or half month to exhibit their artwork.
Oh, that's good. Very kind of you. So means you are producing a lot of local artists.
Yes.
There is any Malay artists who involved in this exhibition?
Yes. Before that, this year they have a group exhibition for the Malay artists. So they have 4 of them.
4 of them.
Yes.
So how about any Indians or?
Indian, yes.
Indian
we
also.
have a doctor.
Oh, doctor.
Yeah.
Oh, doctor.
She do here before, so the result is very good.
That's good, very good. Then I'm here also that you invite other people also who have souvenirs to sell in your place.
Yes, yes. We will support the local artists, especially they have a handcraft, handmade thing, DIY thing, about art craft. So I will support them to give them a space to consign a product here. So more of them is like eco product also we have, postcard also we have.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Bye.
This year, 2019, is the 10th anniversary of Tan Hiong Ni Heritage Walk. Okay, so over the past 10 years, every Saturday night, we organize cultural activities. We also promote artistic exhibitions here and there. All right, opposite there was a 52 art gallery. Previously, it's a 49, and we did open the space for many artists to do the sketch and exhibition in Johor. And I'm very happy that today the gallery owner have invited the student of one of the very famous Malaysian pioneer artists, oil painting artist, Mr. Chia. He's very famous. One of his very good achievement is going into the rural and countryside of our country, of Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, and Bali Island, to do the sketch of the people. Went through a very hard work, and he had achieved a lot. And our artist today, a young lady, is a student of Mr. Chia. So this exhibition, I think, is very good, and I hope by creating a lot of artistic space around the Jalan Tangami, we are able to do more this kind of cultural and artistic activities.
Hi YouTube viewers, please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get along video that I upload for all of you. Hopefully you all enjoy videos that I upload, and please give some comments to me for update.